Okay, so we're talking about Venn diagrams. Guys, survey problems. My gut feelings you're going to have one of those. You got to put all this information into your Venn diagram. So when you do that, how many people were surveyed? To get that, you got to add all of that information up. Then how many people listen to rap or alternative rock? Those would be everything who listen to rap or alternative rock, which are these two. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. And then how many only listen to heavy metal? What I have circled up there. Okay. On this one, guys, A union B. So I have everything in A and everything in B. So I have everything in A, which is all of this stuff that I have right here. And then I have everything in B. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have give birth, breathe air, have air, make noise from their body, can swim, live in water, lay eggs, breathe water, have fins, have scales, internal skeletons. Deep breath. B minus A, so here's all of B. I'm taking away A, which is this, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Half scales, internal skeleton, lay eggs, and breathe water. C union A, so here's A, here's C. The intersection has this, we got 1, 2, 3. Can't swim, live in water, and they make noise from their body. Last one, B complement, so that's everything outside of B. So here's B, everything outside would be everything, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So is purple, use the shampoo, run marathons, they have legs, make noise from their body, breathe air, have air, and give birth to live young. Next one. You guys, so there was a typo there. That should have been 40. 50 goes in the center because they use all three. 55 use Yahoo and Bing. So these two right there have to add to 55. 60 use Google and Bing. This plus this have to give me 60. 40 use Google but no Yahoo. So these two have to go to 40. That's 10. So that gives me 30. 120 use Google or Bing. So I have all of this filled out. So all of this filled out. Those all added together have to give me 120. 50 plus 30 is 80 plus 10 is 90 plus 13 is 103 plus 12 is 115 plus 5, 120. Then 12 only use Bing, which goes right there. 7 use none of these sites, right there. And to get the 23 in Yahoo Land, I know I have 150 students, so then I have to go 150 minus everything that I know and everything that I know, and that will give me 23. Because I know that this right here is 120 plus that's 127. So that should be 13. I wrote it wrong. But my answers are right. I know this. How many of those surveyed use Google? I added all those up. That's 90 plus that, 103. How many do not use Bing? This is Bing. Everything on the outside, which is 73. And then how many surveyed use Yahoo? All of that right there. Okay, so you guys, on this one, A union B union C, 2 goes in the center. B union C have to equal 6, so 2, 4 has to go to a 6. A union B has to be 5, those go to a 5. A union C has to be a 7, those two there have to add to a 7. So I know this B minus A is equal to 10. Well, here's B. I take away A, which is that side of these two. If that's 4, then that's 6. B union C, so all of this and all of this has to equal 23. I have all of that information, so I just got to get myself the 3 right there. Here's the thing. Everything total has to equal 31. If I have all of this, then that 23, that's an 8 value. And then the complement, everything outside of B has to give me 40, and that's where I get the 24. So then A minus B, here's A, take away B. 8 plus 5 is 13. And C complement, everything on the outside is C, which that will give me 30, 38, 41, which is that. Last one, but not least, here we go. A union C. Here's A. Here's C, where they overlap, 1, 2, 3, camel, canoe, car. A union B with the little thing, complement. Here's A, here's B, has everything on the outside of those two, so I got cat, carnation, tiger, and strawberry. So C minus A, so here's C minus A, which is right there. C minus A. So here's C minus A. So here's C, take away A. So I got computer, crayon, carnation, and cat. And then A union C, which is this. A union B, A union, okay, A intersects C, which I have, which are these ones. And then I have A intersection B, which is this. And then the union has to be all of those. So I'm going to get airplane, boat, canoe, car, and camel.